Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Roblox. Should you buy this stock, or is it a sinking ship? Now, yes, I have been buying Roblox for pretty much since their IPO, just dollar cost averaging it. And yeah, over the past couple of weeks, we've seen a massive sell-off from this. We're going to be really talking about it, but before we jump into it, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And guys, I do have some news. We are now offering exclusive members only videos on YouTube. Now it's $4.99 for that, and you guys get a whole bunch of other fantastic stuff. So make sure you guys check that out. And we did drop the price from our course from $99 to $15 only for this week. So make sure you guys check that out too. So starting off, what's going on with Roblox? Well, as you guys can see, Roblox did announce their IPO, and it did very, very well. The stock went from about $70 all the way up to about $102. Sold off, but it did very, very well. Most IPOs, they'll have that IPO breakout. They will sell off back down to pre-IPO prices, but this kind of hovered around, this $70 and pretty much this $90 mark, right? It established some decent resistance up here, and it also did establish some support. We'll go ahead and draw that out, some support down here. So now a lot of people like to love Roblox because they've been investing into the metaverse, and they did announce some good earnings, causing this stock to kind of pop up, right? We saw it go from about $80 all the way up to about $141 in the matter of about 6 weeks. Now, anytime a stock goes up that much that quick, yes, we will have tendencies to see sell-off, right? It's very, very common. And that's kind of what we saw, right? They did release, as you guys can see, a couple of statements, and yeah, the stock just started stair-stepping its way down. It did find some new support all the way down here at $56, and then it announced their earnings. Now, their past earnings was absolutely terrible. They missed revenue, they missed earnings per share, and it just wasn't the greatest. And anytime you have an event like that and that bad, you will have sell-off. So the stock went from about $73, fell all the way to $57, and really has been stair-stepping its way down. Okay, and not to mention a whole bunch of analysts came out and said, all right, here is my price target for Roblox, $50. Now, we had an article come out today by Jeffries, and they pretty much said Roblox isn't worth it. Yes, they are getting more active users, they're getting more users, but they pretty much peaked the amount of people. That's what they're claiming, causing, a lot of sell-off of about 6% today. And yes, do I think this will continue? It's very hard to judge. No one can pick. Even the best investors in the world cannot tell if a stock's undervalued. All you have to do is understand kind of what's going on with it and if you believe in it. Now, for me, Roblox does carry a decent amount of potential. The reason why I say that is because they've been investing into the metaverse for a couple of years now. Me personally, I think the metaverse carries so much potential for the long term. Now, anytime you invest into these high growth, high volatile sectors, you're going to have volatility. Now, as you guys can see, a stock going from 65 to 90, back down to 70, back up to 141, back down to 36 does bring volatility. Now, for me, I definitely think this does carry potential, but it also carries risk, right? There's a lot more risk investing into Roblox than investing in Apple or Amazon or Google. Those more blue chip, well-established companies, Roblox is going to be more risky. It's going to be more volatile. But on the flip side, you're going to have some opportunity with a stock that goes from 80 to 140. A company like Google or Apple would not make that type of move. So looking at some of the fundamentals here, you can kind of understand kind of more of what's going on. If we go ahead and pull up the revenue, yes, they missed their past earnings, but the revenue's up 102%, which is pretty decent. Sorry. Company's not profitable, negative profit margin, but given that they have been doing very, very well in revenue, me personally, company like that, you got to take a chance at. I would recommend investing, $10 2 to 3% of your portfolio size into a company like Roblox, meaning for every $100 you have invested into other stocks, put $2, $3 into Roblox and just let it roll. Dollar cost average it and not even worry about it. But that's kind of my mindset with it. I'm sorry, I'm like dying. I just drank a coffee, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.